Rich people don't have more willpower, they have better habits tracked more carefully. Here's how to build financial discipline with a habit tracker. Daily, review spending before bed, 5 minutes. Weekly, review budget versus actual, check savings progress. Monthly, calculate net worth, review and adjust budget categories. Anchor financial habits to existing habits. After I make my morning coffee, I review yesterday's spending. Takes 5 minutes, attached to existing behavior means it actually happens. Days without unnecessary spending, 0 spend days. Packed lunch versus bought lunch, small habit, big annual savings. Days you exercised, physical health is financially correlated. 1% better at money habits every day equals 37x improvement in 1 year, math. Habit tracking creates accountability even when no one else is watching. Missing 1 day is fine. Never miss twice. That's the rule that works. Get my financial habit tracker at https://www.etsy.com/shop/MoFlowCo. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.